Just got the iPhone 17e and wondering which accessories actually make a difference? In this video, I'm revealing the top 12 accessories for iPhone 17e you must have to upgrade protection, charging, and everyday convenience. Stick around because the best picks are waiting for you in the links below. On number 12 is the CASEKOO Armor Shockproof designed for iPhone 17e. This case is built for users who want reliable protection while keeping their phone sleek and comfortable to hold. It features a slim hardback design with reinforced shock-absorbing corners that provide up to 16-foot military-grade drop protection during accidental falls. The matte finish feels smooth in the hand and effectively resists fingerprints, smudges, and scratches, keeping the case looking clean over time. In everyday use, it slides easily into pockets, offers responsive button coverage, and the raised edges around the screen and camera add extra safety on flat surfaces. Compared with many Speak and Clear cases that focus more on transparency, this CASEKOO model prioritizes grip, anti-smudge coating, and stronger corner protection. If your priority is drop protection and durability, this case clearly focuses more on safety than style. Next in the list is the Anker case for iPhone 17e. Now this one takes a slightly different approach. Instead of hiding the phone design with a solid back, it allows the original iPhone look to shine through. The Anker Clear MagSafe case features a transparent hard back with a flexible shock-absorbing frame that provides military-grade drop protection and reinforced corners for better impact resistance. The built-in magnetic ring offers strong MagSafe compatibility, allowing the phone to attach securely to wireless chargers and magnetic accessories. In everyday use, the case feels slim, lightweight, and comfortable to hold, while raised edges help protect the camera and screen from scratches on flat surfaces. When you compare it directly with the CASEKOO Armor case, the difference becomes clear. CASEKOO focuses more on rugged protection, while Anker focuses more on magnetic compatibility and design visibility. So, if you love MagSafe accessories and clear aesthetics, Anker might be the better option. Next in the list is the JETech screen protector for iPhone 17e. A good case protects the body, but the display still needs protection too. The JETech full coverage screen protector protects the 6.1-inch display from scratches, scuffs, and everyday damage while maintaining a natural screen experience. Made from 9H hardness tempered glass, it offers strong resistance against keys, coins, and minor impacts that commonly occur during daily use. The HD clear glass preserves display brightness, color accuracy, and touch sensitivity, so swiping, typing, and watching content still feel smooth and responsive. Its case-friendly full coverage design allows it to work well with most phone cases without lifting at the edges. In real-life use, the oleophobic coating helps reduce fingerprints and smudges, keeping the screen cleaner throughout the day. Compared with premium protectors like ZAG that cost more, JETech focuses on affordability and reliable protection. So while ZAG may offer premium branding, JETech wins when it comes to value. Next in the list is the Anker Camera Lens Protector. Now let's talk about something many people forget: the camera lenses. These lenses are exposed all the time, which means scratches can happen easily. The Anker Camera Lens Protector is designed to protect the delicate camera lenses from scratches, dust, and everyday impacts while maintaining image quality. It features ultra-thin tempered glass with strong durability that shields the camera rings without adding noticeable bulk to the device. The individual lens design ensures precise coverage for each camera, allowing the flash and sensors to work normally without affecting photo clarity. In real-world use, it stays almost invisible on the camera module and provides reliable protection when placing the phone on rough surfaces or inside pockets with keys. Compared with some thicker protectors from brands like Spigen, The SR option keeps things slimmer and cleaner while still providing strong protection. Next in the list is the Anker Nano USB-C Charger Block 30W. Now we move into the charging category. The Anker Nano USB-C Charger Block is designed for users who want powerful, fast charging in a compact and travel-friendly adapter. Built with GaN technology and Anker's Power IQ 3.0, it delivers efficient 30W output that can quickly charge devices like the iPhone 17 series, Galaxy phones, and iPads. The foldable plug and ultra-small body make it easy to carry in pockets or bags. In real-life scenarios, it provides stable charging performance while managing heat efficiently. When compared to Apple's basic 20W charger, the Anker Nano clearly wins in both charging speed and portability. It's smaller, faster, and more versatile. Next in the list is the UGREEN Uno USB-C to USB-C cable. A powerful charger needs a powerful cable, and that's where this accessory comes in. The UGREEN Uno USB-C cable supports up to 100W power delivery, meaning it can charge smartphones, tablets, and even laptops quickly. The braided exterior and reinforced connectors provide durability against bending, pulling, and everyday wear. One of the most interesting features is the built-in LED display that shows charging activity. Compared with many cables from brands like Baseus that mainly focus on charging speed, the UGREEN Uno stands out by combining durability, high power delivery, and a unique design element. Next up is the Belkin Wireless Charging Pad 15W. Wireless charging has become a daily convenience for many people. This Belkin charging pad keeps things simple and reliable. Just place your phone on the pad and charging begins instantly. It supports Qi Wireless charging up to 15W and works through most standard phone cases. The compact design makes it ideal for desks, nightstands, or office spaces. Compared with some wireless chargers from Anker that sometimes require separate adapters, the Belkin pad focuses on simplicity and consistent performance. Next up is the LISEN 15W MagSafe car mount charger. Driving while using navigation can quickly become messy if your phone isn't properly mounted. The LISEN MagSafe car mount solves this by combining a phone holder and wireless charger. Strong magnets hold the phone firmly in place even on bumpy roads, while the mount supports 360-degree rotation so you can adjust the viewing angle easily. Compared with basic magnetic mounts from Esser that only hold the phone, this LISEN mount provides both charging and secure positioning, making it far more convenient for drivers. Next up is the Lamicall bike phone holder. For cyclists and motorcycle riders, navigation can be difficult without a proper mount. The Lamicall bike phone holder is designed to keep smartphones securely mounted on handlebars while riding. The sturdy clamp with silicone padding absorbs vibrations and prevents scratches. The four-corner grip system keeps the device firmly in place even on uneven roads. Compared with basic silicone strap mounts like Gub that focus only on flexibility, the Lamicall mount offers stronger stability and a more secure hold. Next up is the Belkin MagSafe 3-in-1 charging station. This accessory is designed for users who want a clean and efficient charging setup for multiple devices. It includes a magnetic wireless charging pad for smartphones, a charger for Apple Watch, and a pad for AirPods. Supporting Qi2 wireless technology with up to 25W output, it delivers faster charging than many typical wireless stations. A built-in cooling fan helps manage heat during long charging sessions. Compared with many 3-in-1 chargers from brands like Anker that offer slower speeds, the Belkin station stands out with faster charging and better thermal management. Next up is the TORRAS Magnetic Slim Fit Case. If you prefer an ultra-thin case that doesn't add bulk, this one focuses on minimalism. The TORRAS Magnetic Slim Fit Case features a lightweight hard PC design with built-in MagSafe compatibility. The matte coating resists fingerprints and scratches while providing a comfortable grip. Compared with bulkier rugged cases, the TORRAS case prioritizes style and slimness while still offering basic protection. And the last one in the list is the Ringke Onyx case. The Ringke Onyx case focuses on grip and everyday usability. The textured matte tepu design prevents slipping and feels comfortable in the hand. It also resists oil and dirt, keeping the surface cleaner over time. Compared with cases like the Spigen Liquid Air that focus mainly on flexibility, the Ringke Onyx stands out for its stronger grip and practical design. That was our list of the top 12 accessories for iPhone 17e you must have to get the most out of your device. If you found a favorite, check the links in the description to grab yours. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and stay tuned for more smart tech picks.